Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search about the application of Reddit and you click. In this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.